Are you struggling with fatty liver? You're not alone. In today's video, we're breaking down the best foods to eat for fatty liver, backed by science and easy to add to your meals. What is fatty liver? Fatty liver happens when excess fat builds up in liver cells. It can be caused by alcohol, but most cases today are due to poor diet and lifestyle. This is called non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. If left untreated, it can lead to liver inflammation, fibrosis, and even cirrhosis. So let's introduce about the best food to remove fat from the liver. 1. Green tea. Green tea is packed with antioxidants, especially catechins, which may help reduce liver fat and inflammation. 2. Fatty fish, like salmon or sardines. These are rich in omega-3 fatty acids that reduce liver fat, lower inflammation, and improve cholesterol levels. 3. Avocados. Full of healthy fats and fiber, avocados can support liver health and reduce oxidative stress. 4. Whole grains, like oats, brown rice, quinoa. Whole grains are high in fiber, which can reduce fat absorption and improve insulin sensitivity, important factors for liver health. 5. Cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts. These veggies are liver-loving superheroes. They're high in fiber and rich in natural compounds that help detox the liver. 6. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. They're all rich in antioxidants called polyphenols, which protect the liver from damage. Foods to avoid for fatty liver. To reverse fatty liver, cut back on sugar, refined carbs, fried foods, processed meats, and alcohol. These fuel fat buildup and liver damage. Sample fatty liver-friendly meal. Here's a simple meal idea: grilled salmon with quinoa, steamed broccoli, and a side of mixed berries. Drink green tea instead of soda. Your liver will thank you. Your liver is incredibly resilient. With the right foods, you can help it heal and even reverse fatty liver. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, follow and comment below with your favorite liver-friendly food. Thank you.